Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. Today I would like to give you an insight of job vacancies in United Arab Emirates. So I'm making weekly update videos. So weekly, if there is a vacancy in UAE, you will be knowing on my channel. So I would request you to subscribe to my channel to know the latest update about the job vacancies in UAE. So let's get started. So this is my channel Excel Homemade Tutorial, where you can subscribe it and then you will get to know the current vacancies. I will post it. All right, so this is the first vacancy. There is someone who is making a special team for Expo 2020, which is about to happen after 57 days. So what you need to do is, there's a contact number here, 971 45776366. Save this number, send your resume, or you can send your resume to talent@indpt.com. all right, so there are multiple vacancies are there for Expo, so probably you will get your chance, so don't miss it. Next, you have a vacancy also, F&B waiter or waitress's role at Roba Limar Beach Hotel. You can send your email to rolm.fnbsupervisor@robahotels.com. all right, you also have there is someone who is looking for the chef for a lane food truck, which is at near Hodeirat. Okay, so the email you need to send on is kitchen.hudayrat@shot.ae. all right, so for chefs, this is the vacancy. Open day, okay, it's a big news. Open day today and tomorrow between 9 to 6 in IBS World Trade Center Cubo restaurant. They're looking for Qawmi chef and chef de party in Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. all right, so if you are looking for a job as Qawmi chef or the chef de party, so do check it out. It's an open day today and tomorrow. Again, there's an open day which will happen on 8th of August between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. in Sharjah for CDP, senior CDP and CDP. Salary is also there. Email address is career@glihospitality.com. So send your resume and be there for the interview. all right, so now you have many options here for the job, like pastry chef, head chef, basically for the kitchen. And email you need to send on at hr@vrmed.co. all right, for kitchen vacancies. Now immediately there is someone who is hiring for bartender, hostess and Italian speaker waiter waitresses in Dubai in an Italian restaurant. So the email you will be sending on fabrico@ilpastao.dubai.ae. You send your email here, probably you will get your chance. Next, you have a vacancy of bartender, barmaid, barbacks. So basically the staff of bar. You need to send your resume at careers@brassmonkeyspecial.com. it's one of the finest restaurant, so check it out. Then you have Indian restaurant in Karama in Dubai, of course. They are hiring for the waiter, waitress and Indian cuisine experience chef. There is a number also, 05886222080. so you could send your resume through this email and check it out on WhatsApp. We are hiring, so there is someone who is looking for FOH service associate to join the team of Top Gulf Dubai. Shortlisted candidate will be contacted. Send your resume to NDANIELS and Daniels@topgulfdubai.ae. all right, probably you might get a chance here. You can also, there is an option for Al Barsha in Holiday Inn. They are looking for the F&B waiter waitresses. So share your resume at hr@hialbarsha.com. probably. Multiple vacancies are there for kitchen, food dispatch attendant, CDP, Qawmi, kitchen steward, waiter, cashier, call center agent, photographer and videographer. So to apply for this job is the email is applying@pokeandco.com. all right, then urgently hiring, there is a Mono Ristorante is an Italian restaurant in Al Wasal, Jumeirah. 2 Qawmi and 1 demi chef de party, CDP. Okay, so you can send your resume at info at Monno, MONNO.AE. All right. There is someone looking for the back of the house again, the pastry chef 2, commie chef 1 steward. So those who are in UAE, they will be contacted. Send your resume to Monique at societydxb.com, society.dxb.com. All right. Then there is one more job vacancies are here for sous chef, senior chef de partie, demi chef de partie. It's all for kitchen. It's an award-winning restaurant, Laoui, and here you can send your email to hello@lowe.ae. All right. Next vacancy you got here for service staff, waiter, waitress, runner, bartender, hostess, also for the DJ if anyone knows how to play DJ. So you can send your resume on HR application at royal orchid.ae. So you can send your resume, probably you will get one of this job too. Here we have jobs for clerk, pastry lead, party leader, sorry, my mistake, steward supervisor. So to send the email for these jobs is Janel, JANNEL at rockandup.com. All right, so that is it about the videos, guys. If you don't want to miss the weekly update, so please do kindly subscribe to this channel, Excel Homemade Tutorial, so because you will get the weekly notification. All right, once you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon and have a nice day.